Hi, my name is Vince Perry. I'm the owner of Carpet Tiles1. The purpose of this video is to actually show you how to operate with Eco Tacks. You would have seen the little tiny one that we've been selling for a very long time and very popular. Very good for small areas and to keep areas in place. However, if you're in a shop or have a large traffic area or a kindergarten, whatever it may be, we've now brought out the Jumbo Eco Tack. Right, and the Jumbo Eco Tack is for high traffic areas, right? And you can avoid the use of actual glue when you're doing a do-it-yourself installation. The Eco Tacks are extremely powerful, extremely strong. These here are listed at $1.20 each, and we mail them Australia-wide, free of charge. You'll see from this little demo that once you put that Eco Tack down, right, in the corners, it will hold them together. Very powerful. So that means once you need to actually pull out a tile, whatever, you can do it with very easily. So this is the Jumbo Eco Tack that we mail Australia-wide, including postage at $1.20 each. Again, high traffic areas. And don't forget, you'll see the listing on eBay for the little Mini Eco Tacks. Fantastic for domestic situations, small and low traffic areas. Remember the price, the Mini, 50 cents each or $2 a sheet, 4 on a sheet, postage free Australia-wide, and the Jumbo Eco Tack, which is pretty powerful here, $1.20 each, including GST, free postage Australia-wide. Very powerful. Keep in mind, you don't keep them vertical, they're horizontal. So you can imagine what power they have once they're on the floor. That vacuum cleaner won't lift it. It'll stay put for a very long time. And if you keep these little greasy pieces of paper that we have, right, on the Eco Tacks, if you ever got to move them, you put them back onto the greasy paper. You can reuse them time and time again. On average, I've been told, 3 or 4 lives. So you've got plenty of usage. Thank you very much. Call me if you have any questions whatsoever. Goodbye.